Hi, I'm Londa. Subscribe to my channel here on YouTube to save yourself money and to get rid of any and all stress as you learn my how-tos for creative sewing. Now here's God's gift to the sewer. This is a needle threader. The principle here is that you've got the eye to the needle. And this little gizmo is a little wire hook that's going to come through the eye of the needle from the back. And then you're going to lay the thread underneath, but let this hook catch it so that that hook can pull it back through the eye of the needle. And when you get to be over, say, 40, and the good Lord starts doing things to your eyesight that happens to the best of us, you will simply love this. So how these work is you have to have the presser foot at its highest point. These are very common on machines, even as low as $150 these days. So do you see how this little hook rotates through? Can you see that on the video? See how that rotates through? So the needle's at its highest height. I come underneath this little hook. I pull this down, but I don't just pull it down. I have to rotate it so it comes forward. And then I'm going to lay the thread underneath and give it some slack with my right hand so that that miraculous little hook can pull the thread through the eye of the needle.
Very nice.
Now this principle has gotten very sophisticated in real expensive machines like the one you've used here in the studio. Melanie, you know, you just put it in the right path and you press a button and it all works. Well, it's the same principle. Personally, I like this one where you're actually doing it. It's like everything, the more mechanized and automatic it is, it's easier it is for it to not work. So I love this basic system. So here I am. I'm going to thread the machine again. I have my needle at its highest point. Same operation. On this one, can you see that I say he's got a mouth? See this little groove right in here? So I'm going to pull it down, rotate it forwards, and I say just put the thread in his mouth. Kind of looks like this. So you're putting the thread right there in his mouth. Put it in there, give it some slack with your right hand, and gently let loose of the needle threader. And you'll see that little loop come back. And then you do have to go to all the effort of pulling the thread through. Join me for Creative Fashion Sewing, where you'll find oodles of inspiration and detailed how-tos. For a constant stream of sewing fun, follow me and subscribe to my social media channels.